Hey YouTube, this is Darby Johnson, and my username is Darkster295, and I got my knife here that I'm gonna cut the box open with, and I got my phone because I'm gonna call the eBay because they're late. They're 30 minutes late, but the mailman comes like Thursday sometime. And yeah, and so please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Okay, so I'm gonna have to call the mail people because they're not coming. So here we go. Hello? Hey. I'm just missing an iPhone package. Yeah. What time should it be coming here? Oh, okay. My name's Darby Johnson. Yeah? Okay. Bye. Whoa, they're fast. Come in!
Here's your package, sir!
Thank you. So, my little bit's ripped, so it's coming up. Here, I'm gonna cut it open. Okay, I better move this over. Okay, this person stuffed it up because I got from eBay. They just do some random stuff. Stuff, all paper, and my iPhone. Okay, here's the iPhone 3GS. I got it for $2 off of eBay. And let me go check it out. And the bomb has dropped. Okay, there's nothing in here. Uh-oh. Nothing. This is like a scam. Darn it. They like shut me down. I gotta go contract them. Like, call them. Okay. Hello? eBay. Someone scammed me. They took like $2 away from me. And yeah, and they didn't give me the real iPhone. My name's Darby. Yeah, Darby Johnson. Okay, thank you. Okay, you sure you put it in there? Well, it's not in there. Hold on, let me go check it again. Freaking scam. Yeah. They said it was right in here. Let me open this. There's nothing in here.